How to withdraw from Binance to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to show you the easiest method on Binance in order to receive money in your bank account. And for that, just open up your Binance and then click on the top right inside corner. It is actually Binance Pay. So when you just open this up, you will be able to find different options over here. Just select the option of send cash. Wait for it to load. And after that, select the currency that you want to receive and then select the crypto that you want to use in order to convert it and receive in your respective currency. So let me select BTC over here and click on max, or you can just simply type the amount that you want to receive. After that, just select your bank account and click on continue. And this way you would be able to send your crypto and receive the money in your bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.